This video is a step-by-step guide to installation Window Builder in Eclipse. Using Eclipse Marketplace, open Eclipse, launch your Eclipse IDE, then navigate to Help, then Eclipse Marketplace. In the search bar, type Window Builder and press Enter. Locate Window Builder in the search result. Install Window Builder. Click on Install next to Window Builder. On the next screen, ensure all features Swing Designer SWT Designer are selected and click Confirm. I accept the term of the license agreement. And then, as you can see, nagda-download na siya. Then, restart now. Open again the Eclipse IDE. Now, click the file, New, Others, and SWJT Ace Java Project. Then next, project name, Window Builder Project. Or projects. Then finish. Then click that, then file, new, others again, and application window. Source folder, drop down window builder project, then click source. Then name, IPT activity, then finish. Click that, then click design, try again, then expand that. Now we start designing. Click label, then rename it registration form. Then click bold for font. Expand that. Then label again for name. Can change them to bold and the font also. and click OK. We can copy this for faster designing. Now, change to gender. Copy again. Username. Password. Then, confirm password. Now, email. Copy again. Then, phone. Address. Then, zip code. Last, country. Now, we can add the text box. And can copy also. Then paste. Paste. Now the combo. We can add that to the country list or list of country. Now the radio button for choices on gender. Another radio button for others. And button for submit. Another button for reset. Then last for close. This is the code. Run. Oh. To add country, click items, then you can add the country you want. Then run again. You can input the name, as you can see, nakaka-input na tayo ng mga text sa text box. You can add email, phone number, address, zip code, and country. And this is the sample button. That's all. Thank you.